children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to see chapter number 2 from your textbook. Chapter name is सलाह ना मानने का फल. The consequence of ignoring advice. सलाह ना मानने का फल. सलाह means what, children?
Advice, ma'am.
Advice. Okay. When
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
not obeying, when you are not hearing advice,
What happens?
what happens? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is what we are going to learn through this chapter. Yeah. Now, I'm going to write the chapter name on the whiteboard first. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Listen carefully and watch carefully also. This is your chapter number 2. सलाह ना मानने का फल. This is your chapter name. सलाह ना मानने का फल. The consequence of ignoring advice. First, we are going to see पाठ प्रवेश, which is introduction. पाठ प्रवेश का मतलब है introduction. हाँ, अब पहले हम पाठ प्रवेश को देखेंगे, उसके बाद पाठ में क्या है उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. पाठ प्रवेश ऐसा है. आदित्य पाठ प्रवेश पढ़ना चाहता है? आदित्य,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ पढ़ो.
पाठ प्रवेश. इंट्रोडक्शन. सच्चा मित्र बहुत अनमोल होता है, इसलिए मित्रों की सलाह मानकर हम जीवन में संतोष पा सकते हैं.
हाँ.
कुछ लोग अपने मित्र की सलाह नहीं मानते तथा बुरे परिणाम भुगतते हैं. भुगतते हैं. इसलिए हमें अपने सच्चे मित्रों की सलाह का अनुसार चलना चाहिए. इस सत्य को समझने के लिए आइए एक कहानी पढ़ें.
अच्छा, आप लोगों की, सब लोगों की सच्चा मित्र होता है ना? You have a best friend, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a best friend, right?
Yes,
When
ma'am.
we are ignoring our best friend's advice, what will happen? What the result will be? That is what we are going to learn through this chapter. They given one simple story. Okay? When
Okay,
we are
ma'am.
ignoring our best friend's advice, what will happen? हम
Yes,
इस
ma'am.
पाठ में जब हम अपने सच्चे मित्र का सलाह ना मानने से क्या बुरे परिणाम को भुगतना पड़ेगा, उसी को हम इस पाठ में पढ़ने वाले हैं. ऐसे एक छोटा सा कहानी को इस पाठ में दिया गया है. कौन से कहानी को बच्चों? जब when we are not listening
our friends' advice,
what will happen? They have given one simple best example. What will happen when we'll ignore our best friend's advice? Clear, children? समझ में आ रहा है? या आप मुझे ऐश्वर्या पहला पैराग्राफ को पढ़ो. पैराग्राफ को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? What they will say for paragraph in Hindi?
I don't know.
अरे paragraph writing. For paragraph what in Hindi?
Anuchhed, ma'am.
Anuchhed, yes, you are right. Yeah, start reading.
किसी स्थान पर उगत नाम का गधा रहा करता था. दिन भर तो वह एक धोबी के कपड़े धोया करता और रात होते ही जब मालिक उसे खुला छोड़ देता तो देता तो
हाँ, yes, yes, go ahead, ऐश्वर्या. ऐश्वर्या, you're not audible, ऐश्वर्या.
Ma'am, she's muted, ma'am.
ma'am
Yeah.
देता तो वह मान्य तरीके से इधर उधर घुमा करता था.
हाँ.
सुबह होने पर वह वापस धोबी के घर आ जाता. एक बार ऐसे ही रात को चलते हुए उसकी मित्रता एक गीदड़ से हो गई.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I came late, ma'am. What did you say, ma'am?
What? Prakul?
I came late, ma'am. What did you say, ma'am?
Yeah, Prakul, take page number 6, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, page number 6. Children, please try to turn on your videos, okay? Yeah. Yeah, when we ignoring our best friend's advice, what will happen? That is what we are seeing, okay? They have given one simple story. When we ignore, what will happen? जब
Yes,
हम
ma'am.
अपने सच्चे दोस्त का सलाह को ना मानने से क्या हमें भुगतना पड़ेगा, उसका फल क्या होगा, उसी को हम देख रहे हैं. किसी
Okay, ma'am.
स्थान पर उगत नाम का गधा रहता था. There was a donkey. Donkey name was
Uggat.
उगत. Good. दिन भर तो वह एक धोबी के कपड़े धोया करता था और रात होते जब मालिक उसे खुला छोड़ देता तो वह मनमाने तरीके से इधर उधर घूमा करता था. ओके. दिन भर क्या करता था वो?
दिन भर धोबी के कपड़े को धोया करता था.
हाँ, धोबी का मतलब क्या है? धोबी.
वॉशरमैन.
धोबी.
वॉशरमैन.
यहाँ हाँ, उगत तो गधे का नाम है. उगत क्या है?
गधे का नाम है.
Donkey's name, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And इन इस पैराग्राफ में और क्या? मित्रता का मतलब क्या होता है?
फ्रेंडशिप.
मित्रता
फ्रेंडशिप
होता है ना बच्चों?
यस मैम.
और रात का मतलब क्या है?
नाइट.
रात का मतलब होता है
नाइट.
हाँ. ओके. हाँ.
यस मैम.
धोबी के पास कौन रहता था?
गधा
रहता था. वो सारा दिन किसका मदद करता था?
धोबी के.
हाँ, किसके? धोबी का मतलब?
वॉशरमैन.
The donkey helps the whole day.
Washerman.
In the night, the washerman
will leave the donkey free and it will start roaming.
Freely. The donkey start roaming here and there. सुबह होने पर वह वापस धोबी के घर आ जाता. After roaming,
it will come back to the washerman's house.
Donkey come back in the morning to washerman's house. एक बार ऐसे ही रात को चरते हुए उसकी मित्रता एक गीदड़ से हो गई. Likewise, one day in a night when the donkey roaming, at that time he met with गीदड़.
Fox.
Jackal.
Then they become a friends.
Yes ma'am.
कौन? गधा और गीदड़.
Jackal.
दोस्त बन गए. They become a friends. And jackal. Okay?
Yes ma'am.
उसके बाद क्या हुआ? देखते हैं.
Ma'am, can you let me in, ma'am? I'm coming in a different device, ma'am. This device doesn't have charge.
Yeah, okay. गधे के, एक मिनट, गधे के साथ वह गीदड़ भी खेतों में जाने लगे. After they became friends, good friends, who donkey and jackal, right?
Yes,
गधा
ma'am.
और गीदड़ दोनों क्या करने लगे? What started donkey and jackal? Together, they are roaming in the night time.
How many? 8 crops, I think.
Both were started to roaming together, okay, in a night
Yes,
time.
ma'am.
Gada and Gidar. Yeah. And then बाबू गधे के साथ खेतों की बाड़ तोड़कर अंदर चला जाता.
It will break the fence of the farm and then go inside.
Very good, Aditya. Children, others also you have to respond, okay? Only answer, responding only Aditya. Please, children, okay? If you feel difficulty, you don't know the meaning, please let me know. I will help, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
वही गधे के साथ खेतों की बाढ़ तोड़कर अंदर चला जाता. There is a background noise, children, please. I don't know. Mute yourself. If you want,
Manas, mute Manas.
Manas, please. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Manas. वह भी गधे के साथ खेतों की बाढ़ तोड़कर अंदर चला जाता था. Jackal also fencing of a farm and the Gidad, jackal also get into the farm, right?
Yes, ma'am.
से मनचाहा भोजन प्राप्त करते थे. Whatever they want, they'll get and they'll eat. They started to eat. The donkey and jackal. गधा है ना बच्चों?
Yes, ma'am.
सुबह होते ही वह वन को चला जाता.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Because of network issue, I cut it. I cannot hear you, ma'am.
You have some network issue? Yeah. After the in the morning, after roaming, the donkey went to.
Donkey will go to his master's house and the jackal will go to the one.
Jackal went to one. One means
Forest.
Forest. One means forest. Yeah. एक रात गधे ने उस गीदड़ से कहा, भांजे, आज की रात कितनी सुहावनी, ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही है, चंद्रमा की रोशनी भी फैली हुई है, खेतों से भीनी भीनी सुगंध आ रही है. ऐसे समय में मेरा मन गाना गाने को कर रहा है. What the donkey said to jackal? Bhanje,
Today, how cool the this thing is. Air is.
how the
Air is so
That
cool.
is so cool.
so cool. What the donkey wants to?
He wants to sing.
I want to sing. How the donkey will sing?
Braying.
How it when the donkey will start to sing means how the donkey's voice will be. It is very
Ma'am,
hard.
it will be like, how can I sleep this night? Like this and all, one donkey is shouting like that, it will be.
Yeah.
They will be angered, ma'am. People.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Here are some hard meanings, which is I want to write it on the whiteboard for you people in this paragraph, which is in this paragraph. Yeah. What is khet, children?
Farm, ma'am.
What is khet?
Farm.
Farm, right? And
Yes,
what is subhe?
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Subhe is a
Morning.
Good children. Okay. And then bhojan. What is bhojan?
Food.
Food. Very good.
Bhojan is food, ma'am.
Bhojan is a food. Very good, children. Very good. Very good. Yeah. And one more word is there. There is a bird. Bird. What is bird, children?
Fence, ma'am. Fence.
Fencing of a farm.
Fence, ma'am.
Fence.
Fencing of
Very
a farm.
good. Fencing of a farm. Fencing. FENCE of a farm.
Farm.
Yeah. Yeah. There are a few words which is I want to write the meaning on the board. Yeah. Bhanje. What is mean by bhanje, children?
Friend, ma'am.
No.
Anje, ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, can you say the word?
भांजे भांजे एक रात गधे ने उस गीदड़ से कहा भांजे आज की रात कितनी सुहावनी है
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
cousin
Cousin. Yes, ma'am.
Anje means cousin, ma'am.
yeah the donkey said you're my cousin hey bhanje you're my cousin hey cousin okay and the jackal started to call donkey mama means
Mama means uncle.
uncle okay
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute and one more word is there which is I want to write the meaning for that. Roshni. What is Roshni, children?
Rosh, ma'am. What, ma'am?
Roshni. Roshni, children.
Sunlight.
Huh?
Morning, ma'am.
Moonlight or sunlight? Chandrama.
Moonlight.
என்னப்பா இப்ப உங்களுக்கு பிரச்சனை
Mute.
Mute yourself, please.
Ajay, prachna is you. No.
Yeah. Children, mute yourself, please. एक रात गधे ने उस गीदड़ से कहा भांजे आज की रात कितनी सुहावनी है the night is how beautiful the breeze is coming the moonlight everything is very
Beautiful.
Ma'am.
beautiful. I can't express so that I want to sing a song in this situation in this atmosphere. Who said?
Donkey.
Donkey said to
Fox.
Gidar with
Jackal, ma'am.
Yeah. Jackal. Okay.
Yes,
गधे ने
ma'am.
किससे कहा?
Gidad.
गीदड़ से है ना? हाँ,
Yes,
बच्चों.
ma'am.
Yes. So, yeah. इस पाठ में क्या कहा गया है? जब हम सच्चे मित्र की बात नहीं मानते तो क्या होगा? उसका फल हमको कैसे भुगतना पड़ेगा उसके बारे में बताया गया है. उसका एक छोटा सा कहानी भी दिया गया है ना बच्चों?
Yes,
जैसे
ma'am.
गधा और
What does that mean, ma'am? What did you say now, ma'am?
what is said? Sai?
Ma'am, you said henna something, ma'am. What did you mean?
Yeah. Is it? I said is it. Haina means is it? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. In this chapter, they're trying to say with us when we are ignoring best friend's advice, what will happen? Right, sir? And also they given one simple story to understand when we ignoring our best friend's advice, what will happen? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
There was a donkey. Donkey name is
Gidad.
Gidad. Gidad?
Ma'am.
Gidad is a jackal
Fox, ma'am.
who became a friend later donkeys. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
या अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. गीदड़ ने ऐसा सुना तो उसने कहा मामा आप बेकार में मुसीबत को क्यों बुलावा दे रहे हैं. When the
Uncle, please mute.
1 minute, children. Children, please don't make noise. Okay? Yeah. One day, donkey want to sing in the night time. At that do sing mama. okay, don't sing. गीदड़ ने ऐसा सुना तो उसने कहा, मामा आप बेकार में मुसीबत को क्यों बुलावा दे रहे हैं? You are
Why
calling
are you bringing hardship unnecessarily?
unnecessarily. Who said? Jackal said to
Giran.
donkey.
Uggad.
Confess the donkey.
Manas, mute.
Manas, please mute yourself. Thank you, Manas. वह जानता था कि गधे की आवाज बहुत बेसुरी है. The jackal know how the donkey's voice will be, right, children? When
Yes,
some
ma'am.
people start to speak or start to sing, what we'll say? Simply we will say, "Ayyo, Vananda, don't sing. Your voice is like donkey," right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. That's why the jackal said, "Please, Mama, don't sing. Don't bring musibat." Musibat का मतलब
Hardship.
trouble. Don't bring trouble to us. Please don't sing. उसके गाने से खेत के रखवाले जाग जाएंगे और वे दोनों पकड़े जाएंगे. Why the jackal said like this?
Ma'am, because the donkey will shout like anything and that security guard will wake up and he will beat the donkey. Because the donkey is stealing the food.
Stealing. Both are stealing the food, right?
Yes, ma'am. Both will get affected if one shouts.
Both will get affected. Very good, Aditya. Both will get affected. So that jackal said, Mama, don't sing. But the donkey not ready to
Wants to sing.
Listen to the
Wanted to sing so badly.
Or the jackal clearly said, don't sing. If you are going to sing means who will catch us?
The security guard will get us.
Security guard.
उसने यही सोचकर कहा, मामा हम खेतों में चोरी करने आए हैं, हमें अपनी आवाज पर
Ma'am?
1 minute children, 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, children. So,
It is from yours.
from my side,
No, ma'am, Manas.
No, ma'am. From Manas, ma'am.
yeah. Now, yes, children. Why the jackal asked to don't sing?
Because the donkey's voice will call the farmer.
Beat the donkey.
Yeah. And हम क्या करेंगे?
Ma'am.
पकड़े जाएंगे. किससे पकड़े जाएंगे? उस खेत की
Ma'am.
रखवाली से. Yeah, tell me, children.
Ma'am, that man was a farmer or a washerman, ma'am?
Who?
That man, ma'am.
The man without the stick, ma'am.
The man without the stick is a security guard, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 1 who is there, he is a washerman. Right?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Now, so that only the jackal asked to don't sing. Yeah. Now, वैसे भी आपका स्वर बहुत रूखा है. How your voice will be? How your voice
Very
will
bad.
Very bad.
खेतों के रखवालों ने सुन लिया तो वे जाग जाएंगे. If you hear your voice, the security guard will
Watchman will be scared and come out and beat them.
and he'll wake up and he'll come and beat us. वे आपको
Watchman will not be scared. That donkey will be scared.
Yeah.
वे आपको
Ma'am,
बांध
but the watchman doesn't have a stick, ma'am.
या
Maybe he'll beat with a hand.
या वे आपको बांध देंगे या पीट पीट कर मार डालेंगे. बेकार के गायन के चक्कर में मत पड़िए. गधा कहने लगा, तुम तो जंगल में रहते हो, तुम्हें संगीत का ज्ञान कहाँ? After listening Jackal's words, Donkey started to say, you don't know anything. I have nice voice. I have good voice. You are living in forest. You don't know about the music. I am going to sing only. I won't listen your words. I want to
Advice.
listen you. I'm going to start singing. After singing, what will happen? We are going to see now.
That watchman will come and bang this donkey.
Yeah, that is what. Now, Mama, शायद शायद तुम ठीक ही कहते हो, किंतु गाना तुम्हें भी कहाँ आता है. You're saying, yes, well said, Mama. Who said? Jackal said to donkey. I don't know about music. I don't know about song. I'm living in forest. You're saying very correctly only. Correct. गीदड़ के बार बार समझाने पर भी गधा नहीं माना तो गीदड़ ने कहा, आप गाना चाहते हैं तो गाइए, लेकिन कुछ देर बाद गाना, तब तक मैं खेत की बाड़ में बैठकर खेत के रखवालों पर नजर रखता हूँ. Yeah, you are not going to listen my words. If you are going to sing only, please give some time. I'm going to sit in a field. I will check whether somebody is coming or not. Okay. Afterwards, you can start singing. Give some time. Who said? Jackal said to donkey. हाँ, गधे ने कहा, गिदड़ ने कहा कि मुझे थोड़ा समय दीजिए, मैं जाके खेत में बैठ के आराम कर लेता हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत खा लेता हूँ, उसके बाद आप गाना शुरू कर दीजिए, मैं उधर रखवाले का भी नजर रख लेता हूँ.
That geezer will run away, ma'am.
या गीदड़ बाहर आकर एक सुरक्षित स्थान पर बैठ गया. The jackal came and sat in a safety place.
Safe place.
या उसके जाते ही गधे ने रेंकना शुरू कर दिया. After went the jackal, donkey started to sing. उसके रेंकने की आवाज सुनकर खेत का रखवाला जाग गया.
That watchman woke up hearing the sound of the donkey.
Donkey, the watchman woke up. उसने जब खेत में गधे को देखा तो क्रोधित होकर उसे बहुत मारा. What is the meaning of it?
That security guard bet the donkey very badly.
Yeah, and he bet very badly to
the donkey.
Donkey.
क्रोधित होना. क्रोधित होने का मतलब क्या है?
Angry.
क्रोधित होना.
Becoming angry.
सुनकर सुनना. सुनकर means after listening. सुनकर after listening. सुनना listening. सुनकर after
listening.
Okay. सुरक्षित स्थान, which means what, children? सुरक्षित.
Safe place.
Safe place.
Safe place. Okay. सुरक्षित स्थान.
Safe place.
Safe place.
सुरक्षित स्थान. Safe place.
Safe place.
Okay. Now, after listening donkey's song, security came and he will start to
Beat the donkey very nicely.
Yeah, very badly, that too. रखवाले के जाते ही गधा लंगड़ाते हुए, मार की पीड़ा झेलते हुए खेत से बाहर आ गया. After
the beating of the security guard, the donkey came out of the fence.
And
Farm.
how he's walking now? How
He's
the donkey
walking.
लंगड़ाते हुए. How is the donkey's legs now?
It has broken into two pieces.
Broken. Yes. गीदड़ गधे को देखकर बोला, मामा, मैंने कितनी बार आपको गाना गाने के लिए मना किया, लेकिन आपने मेरी बात नहीं मानी. Then Jackal said, how many times I advised you, how many times I asked you not sing, but you are not ready to listen to my words. See what happened now. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
बच्चों, मित्र की अच्छी सलाह का हमें हमेशा पालन करना चाहिए, नहीं तो पीड़ा ही उठानी पड़ती है. What is the moral of the story, children?
We have to listen
We have to
what,
listen to our friends.
Friends,
or else we have to get beatings.
beatings, have to spend more, okay, for
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
So that we have to listen when say something, when somebody is saying something, when somebody is saying to betterment for us, okay, we have to listen. That too, when our best friend says something, we have to listen. Otherwise, we have to
Face the pain.
face the problems like this, how the donkey faced. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, here are some glossary, which is very important words. Yeah, what is Gidar, children?
That is jackal.
Gidar is, what is
Jackal.
Gidar?
Jackal.
Jackal. Gidar is, sorry, 1 minute. Gidar. Gidar का मतलब
Jackal.
Jackal.
jackal. Jackal, right? Jackal, mitrata, you know, friendship. Khet, farmland. Khet is a farmland. Pida, what is Pida, children?
Ma'am, Pratik is scribbling on the screen.
Protect.
No, Dot. Someone called Dot is scribbling.
What is Aditya? Dot
It's
is
Aditya. Dot is Aditya.
What is Aditya?
Be quiet. What is Pida?
Pain, ma'am. Pain, ma'am.
What is Sugandh, children? Sugandh. अच्छी सुगंध आ रही है.
Fragrance, ma'am.
Fragrance. Yeah. Musibat, you know, trouble. And niyantran. It's a very important word. We have to, हमें नियंत्रण को, नियंत्रण, हाँ, नियंत्रण का मतलब कंट्रोल. नियंत्रण कंट्रोल होता है.
Control.
या Did you like the chapter, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What moral you got from this chapter?
Listen to
your friends' advice.
Okay. If we won't listen our friends' advice, what will happen? One simple best example, it's like a moral story, right? So it's a nice story, so that not only your friends, your elders, parents, when they are saying something for your betterment, you have to listen. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.